A very good morning, my dear students. So, we are doing equations, correct? We have already finished two exercise. It was exercise 4.1 and 4.2. In exercise 4.2, we did how to solve an equation. We did how to find the the value of the variable. Clear? The same thing we are going to do today in exercise 4.3 also. Today we will start the exercise 4.3, which is very much based on exercise 4.2. If 4.2 is clear, then only you can do exercise 4.3. Correct? In exercise 4.3, we have to find out the variables, a value of variables. Now, what do you mean by variable? Variable like letters like X, Y, Z, A, B, C. When a number is attached to a letter, maybe plus, maybe minus, maybe multiplication, for example, or maybe division. For example, 2 into x, or x by 2, or x minus 2, or x divided by 2. In this way. So this x is a variable, but this number 2 is a constant. Why? Because it is fixed. Okay? Now, what happens in exercise 4.3? What we are supposed to do? We'll try to shift a number from the constant number to the other side to get the value of the variable. If it is plus, say x plus 2 is equal to 3. When plus 2 will go that side, it will become minus. Okay? Or in a very simple way, what you can do is, suppose you want to remove this 2, x plus 2 is equal to 3, you want to remove this 2, you subtract minus 2 from both the sides, from left hand side as well as from the right hand side. You will get the value of x. Correct? So my dear students, all these things will be learning in this exercise 4.3. I have already solved the questions. You please go through it and just see whether you are able to understand or not. Okay? I don't think you should be having any problem. Okay, so do watch the next video very nicely. Okay, my dear students, today we will start exercise 4.3. Now here it is, the question is solve the following equations. Solve means you have to find out the value of the variable. Here y is there, t is there, here a is there, q is there. All these letters are nothing but the variables. Clear? So in each of the following we will try to find out the value of variables. Let me start with the first part, a part. Now see here you have to find out the value of y. Here it is 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2. Now what I have done, I have brought this plus 5 by 2 to this side, it has become minus 5 by 2. When you shift a number from one place to the other, the sign changes. Okay, the plus will become minus. Here it is. Then simplify, you will get 32 by 2. 32 by 2 means 16. Correct? Now I have to remove this 2. That is 2y is equal to 16. I have to get rid of this 2 so that I will get the value of y. So what I will do, I will divide both the sides by 2. Here also 2, here also 2. When it is divided both the sides by 2, this automatically this 2 will get cut. So answer will be 8. Why both the sides? Because see, when we are dividing on one side, we have to divide on other side also. Remember this. It has to go equally. Or in a very shortcut way, you can do this way also. In a very simple way, this 2 will come here, will divide here, because this is multiplication. Multiplication will become division on the other side. For example, here what we did, plus became minus when we transpose this number to this side, when we brought this number to this side. Similarly, if I have to bring this number to this side, it will become division, not minus or plus. Okay, remember this, because this is multiplication. 2y means multiplication, so multiplication will be divided here. Both the methods are correct. You can do by any method, you will get the same answer. Okay. Now let us do the f part. F part is 5 by 2, x is equal to 25 by 4. Now what I have to do, I have to remove this 5 by 2. Once I remove this 5 by 2, easily I will get the value of x. So how can I remove this 5 by 2? I have to divide here 5 and here I have to multiply 2. So multiply by 2 by 5. Here I have to multiply 2 and here I have to multiply 5. In the numerator you multiply 2, in the denominator you multiply 5. That means you are multiplying 2 by 5. Correct? Since we are multiplying 2 by 5, we will multiply 2 by 5 here also. Then you do all this cancellation, thing that you know very well. So you will get the answer as x is equal to 5 by 2. Correct? Or the same thing can be done in this way also. See, this is what? 5 by 2x means what? 5 by 2 into x. So 5 by 2 into x, when 5 by 2 will go this side, it will become division. That means 2 will multiply with 25 and 5 will multiply with 4. So 25 into 4 divided by 4 into 5. Simplify this, you will get this answer 5 by 2. Correct? Same, both are same. Now let me take one more part, that is J. Okay, J part is 2b by 3 minus 5 is equal to 3. Similarly, if I bring this minus 5 to this side, it will become plus 5, 8. Now this is 2b by 3 is equal to 8. Here it is. Okay, now this 3 will multiply here and 2 will divide. Simplify this, you will get the answer as 12. The same question can be done in a little different way. Okay, let me say this once again. Bring this minus 5 here, it will become plus 5. Clear? So you will get 2 by 3 is equal to 8. Now this 3 will multiply with 8 and 2 will divide. Correct? So you will get answer as 12. 2 4 is 8, 4 into 3 is 12. The same question can be done in a different way. I'll show you here. See here, I have to remove this minus 5. How can I remove? You add 5 here and add 5. Okay, equally you have to do. So minus 5 plus 5 get cancelled. So what do you get? 2b by 3 is equal to 8. Now I have to remove this 2 by 3. If I have to remove this 2 by 3, I have to multiply 3 by 2. 3 by 2, because 3 will get cancelled and 2 will get cancelled. So I have to multiply 3 by 2. Since I am multiplying 3 by 2, I have to multiply 3 by 2 here also. So here it is. Okay, so this thing will get cancelled. This 3, correct? This 3 will get cancelled. 2 will get cancelled. But here it will become 2 4 is 4 into 3, that is 12. So we are getting the same answer. It's up to you. You can do by any method. Correct? So I have taken only 3 questions from this exercise. Okay. So I have taken 3 questions from this exercise. I took A part, then I took F part, then after that I took J part. All are same. Same thing is here also. Multiply 2 into 2 and 3 will divide it. The answer is 4 by 9. By looking only I can tell the answer. Here also 2 into 5 and divide by 5. 5 will get cancelled. The answer is minus 2. So these questions are very simple, but you need to practice. Okay. So today you do this. Tomorrow we will see this. Try all these questions yourself. Try and see whether you can do or not. Okay. So that's all for today's class.